Here are the top 3 cutest parrot reactions when someone slices the cake, and they think it's them.
All right, just a small piece.
Hit like and subscribe if you love that wild parrot cake.
I promise, it's not you. Look, chocolate. See, totally safe. You're too much.
Hey! That's my cousin!
Oh my God!
Call the police! Bird abuse.
Stop it.
You monster.
Oh, I'm crying.